Hey guys, today we are going to talk about meme coins again. Possibly the most useful insight you'll hear this month. Because while everyone's chasing what's already pumped, we are digging deeper where the real gains are just starting to form. So watch this video till the end and let's get started. Well, looks like the market's finally waking up. Bitcoin's coming alive, altcoins are moving, and once again, we are faced with that same question. Where do we find potential 100x's? Where is that coin that's gonna repeat PEPE's journey or even surpass it? We are gonna talk about PEPE, but first, let's take a look at PEPE itself. The coin entered the market as a meme, but since then it's turned into something bigger, with a massive community and a market cap of around $6 billion. And here's the key thing to understand. With that kind of market cap, even if it grows, we are looking at maybe 10x maximum. That's not bad, but still not those crazy gains we are looking for in early stage meme coins. Now guys, onto PEPE. The story as always starts with a legend. PEPE, as you know guys, has 4 letters and PEPE has 6, P-E-P-E-T-O. Inside this story lies a whole philosophy. Rumor has it that one of the former PEPE team members left and created his own project, this time with a complete version and finished documentation. If PEPE stopped at 4, then PEPE is the full embodiment of that idea. T stands for technology, O stands for optimization. This is what PEPE's system is built on. And we're not just talking about a cool legend here. Behind PEPE stands real infrastructure. They already have a working demo of their zero-fee exchange and a cross-chain bridge that lets you transfer tokens between blockchains. This is basically a full-fledged crypto project with useful tools. Now for the juicy part guys, the calculations. PEPE, just like PEPE, has a maximum supply of 420 trillion tokens. But PEPE's current price is really small, so we are talking about the very beginning here. If you invest, say, $30,000 right now, you'd get around 212 billion tokens. And if PEPE just catches up to PEPE's current price of 0.00001265, your investment would turn into $2.5 million. That's between 90 and 100x, and that's still a conservative scenario. And we've already seen similar scenarios play out with Doge and Shiba. By the way guys, the project is back in active phase. The website is up and running again. The project is licensed, audits have been conducted, and Whitepaper is published. If you want to understand how the bridge works, what the platform looks like, or just check out the story itself, head over to memecoin.io. Everything is detailed there. And now guys, if you want to join, here's how to do it. Go to memecoin.io, click Connect Wallet, choose MetaMask or Trust Wallet. After connecting, choose which currency you'll use, USDT, Ethereum, BNB or even a regular card. Enter the amount, hit buy and you are in the game. And right after paying guys, you can stake your tokens directly on the platform and earn rewards. Don't forget to follow PEPE's official social media. It's important because that's where most announcements and news come out. Our links will be down in the description, guys. So take a look, and that's it for today. Write your thoughts about this promising little frog in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.